Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Dwayne Burbick. Motorists will pay more for petrol effective tomorrow. 87 and 90 gasoline will be increased by 71 cents per litre. Automotive diesel will be increased by 77 cents, while ultra-low sulfur diesel is up by 96 cents. Kerosene will record the largest hike, moving up $1.79 per litre. LPG propane and butane will be increased by $1.18 and 77 cents per litre, respectively. Meanwhile, oil settled at its highest level in about 6 weeks today after U.S. government data showed a sizable decline in U.S. crude stockpiles for a third week in a row. The August contract for West Texas Intermediate crude tacked on 72 cents to finish at $47.12 a barrel on the New York Mercantile Exchange. This after trading as high as $47.26 per barrel. Foreign currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $128.35. The Canadian currency traded at $102.01. The pound closed the trading day at $166.99, while the euro sold for $147.15 on average. Berger Paints is reporting a significant increase in profit for the financial year ending March 31. Net profit rose 158% to $315.5 million. Net sales also increased 15% from just over $2 billion to $2.36 billion. The initial public offer by Stationery and Office Supplies (SOS) closed within a second of its opening this morning, ahead of its listing on the Junior Stock Exchange. It offered 50 million shares, or 20% of the company, at $2 per share for sale to the public. Company officials and their broker Gen Fund managers held an investor briefing recently in Montego Bay to drum up interest in the IPO. The money raised will be used to purchase property and equipment for expansion and debt reduction.
For the debt reduction, we have some higher interest loans that have been with us for a little while, and what we would like to do is get rid of some of those loans or renegotiate them to bring it back to a lower level at this point.
SOS made pre-tax profits of $53.1 million and revenues of $702 million in 2016. Company officials say they will have a generous dividend policy.
We truly believe that we want to pay back those who have believed in us and have invested in us. It is at up to 25% dividend policy, which does mean that we can pay anywhere from 1% to 25%, but allows us to go up that high.
And in today's trading session, the JSE index declined by 1,521 points to close at 231,629. The junior market index declined by 9 points to close at just under 3,000 points. The winners today were Margaritaville Turks, Proven Investments, Berger Paints, Lasco Manufacturing, and Carb Cement. Losers were led by Pulse Investments, Kingston Properties, Lasco Financial, Cable and Wireless, and Portland JSX. And that's the Business Day. I'm Dwayne Burbick. Good evening.